Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of natural beauty and self-care. In today's video, we're excited to share with you a simple yet highly effective beauty secret of rice water. So, there are total 6 sections in this video. Whether you're looking to achieve a radiant complexion or boost hair growth, rice water has got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into the wonderful world of rice water. Section 1. Benefits of rice water. Before we jump into the recipe, let's discuss the incredible benefits of rice water for your skin and hair. Rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help nourish and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. It also strengthens hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and adds shine to dull, lifeless locks. Section 2. The science behind rice water. Did you know that rice water is packed with essential nutrients and vitamins that can work wonders for your skin and hair? In this section, we delve into the scientific aspects of rice water and explain why it has been used as a beauty secret for centuries. Rice water contains a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin E, vitamin B, and amino acids. These elements contribute to its incredible beauty-enhancing properties. Vitamin E helps to nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it smooth and supple. Vitamin B promotes healthy hair growth, strengthens hair follicles, and prevents breakage. Amino acids repair damaged hair and improve its overall condition. Additionally, rice water is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin and hair from free radicals, preventing premature aging and damage. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can also calm irritated skin and soothe the scalp. Understanding the science behind rice water allows us to harness its full potential in our beauty routines. Stay tuned as we move on to the next section, where we'll guide you through the process of preparing rice water to unlock its amazing benefits. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more fascinating beauty insights. Section 3. Preparing rice water. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step process of making rice water at home. Here's what you'll need. Organic rice, preferably jasmine or basmati. Filtered water. A bowl or container. A strainer or cheesecloth. Start by rinsing half a cup of rice to remove any impurities. Next, place the rinsed rice in a bowl and add 2 cups of water. Swirl the rice gently for a few minutes until the water turns milky white and allow the mixture to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This milky water is your precious rice water, packed with beauty benefits. Section 4. Application on face. Now that we have our rice water ready, let's see how to apply it to your face. Dip a cotton ball or pad into the rice water and gently apply it all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing your skin to absorb the nutrients. Then, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry. You'll notice an immediate boost in hydration and a radiant glow. Section 5. Application on hair. Moving on to hair, rice water can work wonders for your locks. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, pour rice water onto your scalp and hair. Massage it in for a few minutes to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with water. Regular use of rice water can make your hair stronger, healthier, and more voluminous. Section 6. Additional tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your rice water experience. You can store any leftover rice water in a clean container and refrigerate it for up to a week. You may also add a few drops of essential oils, such as lavender or rosemary, to enhance the fragrance and boost the benefits. Remember to perform a patch test before using rice water on your face or hair to ensure you have no adverse reactions. That's it for today's video on how to make rice water for your face and hair. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.